Hello children, welcome to today's English online class. Dear children, in this class let us see the revision of Unit 10, Lesson number 10, The Tell-Tale Nails. Okay children, so this is a Tenali Raman story. Right children? So now let us see the revision of this today. Now let us read the lesson children. The story. It was well known that King Krishnadevaraya was fond of birds and animals. He had many beautiful and rare birds and animals in his palace. One day, a visitor came to the court with a strange looking bird in a cage. Bowing low before the king, he said, "Your Majesty, I caught this strange but beautiful bird in the forest yesterday. It can sing sweetly like a cuckoo and can also talk like a parrot. It is not just as colorful as the peacock, but it can dance like one too. I have come to sell this bird to you." The king saw the colorful bird and said, "Yes, this bird does look rare. It is also quite beautiful. I'll keep it." He ordered the court treasurer to give the visitor 50 gold coins and put the cage in the palace garden. Just then, Tenali Raman got up and bowing before the king said, "Your Majesty, I am sorry to disturb you, but I don't think this bird can dance like a peacock in the rain. If you will let me, I would like to prove it to you." The king was confused. He nodded his head, allowing Tenali Raman to prove. Everyone in the court was surprised. Tenali Raman continued to pour the water on the bird. The rare and colorful bird turned into an ordinary light brown pigeon. The king was very surprised. Looking first at the bird and then at Tenali, he asked, "How did you realize that this bird had been dyed in false colors?" "From the visitor's nails, Your Majesty. The colors he used on the bird are still present on his nails and fingers." But the palace guards caught him and put him in prison. Okay, children. And now tell me, and the 50 gold coins, who do you think got those as a reward? Who, children? Yes, Tenali Raman. Very good. So read this lesson, children. Okay, next, new words of this lesson. Let us see new words and its meaning. First one, rare or strange. Rare or strange. It means not seen before. Okay, not seen before. Next, second one, visitor. Visitor means one who visits a person or place. Okay, children. Next, third one, prove. Prove means to show that something is true. Okay, prove means to show that something is true. Next, fourth one, realize. Realize means to become aware, to see clearly. Okay, realize means to become aware, to see clearly. Next, fifth one, reward. Reward means price or payment for something. Okay children, reward means price or payment for something. Next you can see some sentences. Right children, let us read these sentences also. We saw some rare butterflies when we went for a nature walk. Rare means you know, no? Not seen before or strange. Next, second sentence. I said sorry to my mother when I realized my mistake. Realize means to become aware, to see clearly. Next, third one. He received a medal as a reward for his bravery. Reward means prize or payment for something. Okay children. So this is about today's revision children. Read the lesson and learn the spellings of new words and also meanings. Okay children. Have a good day. Take care.